Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am beyond happy to be here. I have been away. We've been traveling for 6 days and I'm back and I couldn't wait to paint. We got out of our car about 20 minutes ago and I came in here and started mixing. I miss my paints when I'm away from it for a few days, and I was excited to come home because I got some things from DecoArt in the mail that I can't wait to try and to share with you. It is the new DecoArt. DecoEarth, excuse me. It's the premium reclaimed acrylics. Excellent coverage, matte finish, indoor-outdoor paint, water-based, light fast rating is good, and it's made with 70% recycled paint. And these colors are my jam, even more the size of the bottles. Thank you, DecoArt. These are 8-ounce bottles versus the 2-ounce bottles, which I hate throwing away all that plastic. So I'm excited. They're nice and thick. The colors are yummy. This is sandstone and this is a semi-transparent. Now, I mixed this with a little bit of the DecoArt Satin Enamel in the neutral beige. We are about 1 part this paint, half a part of the Satin Enamel, and I mixed it with Floetrol, just Floetrol, because I want my paints to be nice and thick for my traveling jiggle pour, ring pour, whatever the heck you want to call it. Right here, isn't this beautiful? Look at that paint. That's yummy goodness. That is DecoArt, and that is their DecoEarth in the Chestnut. Even the name makes me smile right there. This one is also yummy. DecoArt, this is their brick, and it is an opaque paint. Beauteous, guys. I can't wait to get these on the canvas. And look at this yellow. It's so warm. DecoArt Earth, and this is their Dandelion, and that is semi-transparent. And then just to see how these paints play with other paints, one of my favorites, the Q word DecoArt, and this is a fluid paint, the Q word in the nickel azo gold. Now, all these paints were kind of mixed the same. Because I had a fluid paint, I knew that I would have to thicken it up. So I thickened it up with my Liquitex gel gloss medium. And then one of these paints, the DecoArt Earth in the Dandelion, was a little bit thicker than the other DecoEarth paints. So I had to thin this guy down a little bit, so I thinned it down with a little bit of my Golden Gak 800. Not as thin as water, but if I don't have to use water, I don't. The DecoArt thinned it down just fine. When I have new paints, I generally do a drip test. Now this got a little funky because my plate was sitting over here at an angle. But you can see here that the fluid paint, the nickel azo gold, flowed a little bit faster, so I added the gel gloss medium to it. You can see here the DecoEarth. It's hard, I keep wanting to say DecoArt. The DecoArt DecoEarth was a little bit thicker, and I added a little bit of Golden Gak 800 to that to thin it down. Our flow extender or our base coat color is right here in this cup, and that is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. And I also have a smaller cup here because I think I'm going to incorporate some black into this because it just kind of speaks to me. So I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to hang out with you all. What other news? Traveled to Wilmington, North Carolina, first to Hilton Head Island, picked up Mama. threw her in the car with us, went down to Wilmington to explore and do a little bit of house hunting. Wilmington is lovely. We stayed right at the riverfront, which has all kinds of wonderful, cool things. And it just so happens I have about 4 or 5 old friends that live there. So it was a wonderful little trip for us. But I'm back home now, miss my painting, miss my Lido dog. And, you know, I just can't wait to get busy, guys. Let's try out these new paints.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the sun watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm.